What's up, guys? Welcome, Crypto FUD. All right, let's jump right into this. So, just a quick update from yesterday's video, Fetch AI. If you haven't already, just to get you up to speed, pause this video, go back to the video that I made just last night. We were sitting at around 23 cents. And basically, just to put you up to speed, we were calling for at the time we were sitting about 23 cents. I was calling for us to get up to this green line, which would be the 200 week. Well, last night we did pass right by it. We stopped at the top of this fib retracement, obviously at around 24.7. Some charts we did hit 25 cents, but on here we hit 24.7 and we got rejected. Looks like we got rejected. We pretty much bounced right here at this 236 fib at around 23.1, we'll say around there. Actually, it was 23.2. We are currently sitting right under 24 cents, 23.8 to be exact. And I did want to just come out with a quick video. So, what do I think is going on right now? I think Fetch AI is definitely looking bullish. This thing wants to break out. It wants to break out like crazy, but there's a lot of things going against not this particular project, Fetch AI, but going right now against the whole market. You have, Bitcoin struggling, not struggling, but still, it's basically sitting in this channel again of about 27,200. It did have a spike yesterday up to or the day before. I think it was like 27.5, 27.6, but it was quickly rejected. Bitcoin also is kind of sitting in the same way where it wants to break out like crazy, but there's just a lot of macro things out there. The economy. We have job reports coming out, I believe, in the next like day or two. That's gonna maybe make the markets fluctuate a little bit and just stuff like that, like just little things here and there. But if you really look at the long term for crypto, particularly not just Fetch AI but crypto, everything is looking bullish. You have so much more adoption. I believe there was a couple big things this week that happened that really helped the a bit excuse me Bitcoin particularly. I believe for an ETF getting approved or whatever the case may be. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but the point of the story is that Fetch AI has been, you could just see since we made this bottom right here, the whole market crashed right here. Fetch AI was, got brought down with it. If you were able to catch this bottom, heck yeah. I mean, 17 cents for Fetch AI is a steal in my eyes. We steadily have been just trying to move up, making new little highs and maybe retesting certain spots, hitting some support, and then we'd kind of make another 5-10% move up, retrace a little bit. And then we had this nice bounce right here at the 618 at around the 20 cent mark. And we bounced up, like you guys know, last night we made it up to about 25 cents. Again, like I said, we're sitting around 24 cents, a little bit under. This is going to be the pivotal point. What do I think right here? So the 200 week is about 24 cents solid, right? We are going to have to keep retesting this spot before we break it. Yesterday I was calling in the video. Again, check it out just so you can get up to speed where I'm at right now. Yesterday I was saying that we definitely want to break 24 cents. But what we really want to do is we don't want to just break it one time and then get rejected and fall back down. If that happens, so be it. I'm just going to add to my bag. But what we would like to see for natural growth is for us to break this 24 cents or possibly keep retesting it, keep hitting our head on this 200 week and basically breaking this resistance and flipping it into some kind of support. So what I mean by that is go up to 24 cents like we did here, get rejected. Go back up to 24 cents like we're about to do right now, maybe get rejected again. Go back up to 24 cents, and just keep hitting our head until we break through, possibly breaking this little local high right here of about 24.7, maybe making a new local high right here, somewhere around the 25 cents is what I think is going to be a solid spot. If I look right here, and I'll actually put a line just so you guys can kind of map it out as well. If you can see right here, we have basically tapped multiple times right here, and this is going to be right at that 25 cent mark. That's most likely where if we're able to possibly break this 24 cent 200 week moving average, and we somehow flip it into support, we're probably going to keep hitting our head and getting rejected at this 25 cents. Unless the market itself is rallying, you could always take that in as a factor. If Bitcoin starts shooting up 28, 29,000, that's when, you put all this other stuff to the side, and we're probably just going to start lifting off. But with the market the way it is right now, not that we're in a bad spot or anything, but I'm just saying, if you look at the environment that we're in right now, if we continue where we're at right now, we need, like I said, we need to just keep testing this 200 week, which is 24 cents, and possibly getting up to this 25 and flipping this 24 resistance spot into some kind of support. Now, where do we keep, or where do I think we're going to bounce? Another thing on the flip side is, if we don't want to keep retesting this 23 cents, maybe if we keep hitting our head and coming down, but not all the way down to this 23, if we keep retesting this 23 cents, it's going to be, like I said, for this 200 week, it's going to be the opposite. We're going to break this 23 and possibly come back down towards this 382 or the 0.5, which is 21 cents. Now, that would be a considerable drop. It's not out of the out of the picture whatsoever. A healthy retracement is perfectly fine. So maybe we do retest back to 23 cents, or somewhere in between 23 and maybe 22 cents, somewhere around there, and then start moving our way back up is very much of a possibility. If you are sitting on the side and you're looking at Fetch.Ai, my advice right now, I don't give out any financial advice, but my opinion would be, anything, if you're looking long term, even buying at 22 cents, in my opinion, is not terrible. My big thing is don't buy everything all at once. DCA in. You always want a dollar cost average in, because 90% chance you're going to get an opportunity to where, we do retest certain levels, maybe 21, possibly 20 cents. You never know. There could be another micro crash where we bounce back down towards these lower levels right here, and you could be buying in. So I don't think that's not in the picture right now as far as what the charts are saying, but anything's possible with this market that we're in right now, right? Anything is possible. So with that being said, we're going to leave it there. Look out for this 24 cents. It's going to be a solid spot for resistance. We definitely want to flip it. I'm calling for maybe a 25 cent, solid 24.9 to be exact, 24.9 around there. That's going to be a spot where we are definitely 100% going to get rejected unless this market is flying. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I will keep you guys up to date on anything that's going on with your favorite projects. Thank you so much.